Hey friends, it's Rachel. I am doing another makeup tutorial. This time it is based on one of the looks you might have seen already on my Instagram. It is a very bold mod moment, so I'm very excited to try my best to recreate it today. It kind of was a bit of a lucky fluke, but we'll try our best. Let's get started. I've already got a base on. I actually did film myself applying the base, but the microphone was not fully plugged in, so it's fine. I'll leave all the products that I used down below. So I think let's get stuck into eyes. This is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I'm using the matte side. I figured I'd use this as an eye primer because we're gonna go in with quite pastel-y colors anyway. So this will be a nice base to start laying down some pigment. So I'm going from this outer corner, kind of creating a V there, and working that right into under the brow, right there. You guys are gonna have to excuse if everything looks a little patchy today. I'm getting eczema flare-ups all over my lids, so a little annoying, but what can you do? This is the Huda Beauty Lilac Obsessions, Pastel Obsessions. This guy, so freaking pretty, and I'm gonna go in with that purple. Just following that same shape and building up the intensity of the color. Then I'm going into the Huda Beauty Medium Nude Obsessions palette. I'm gonna take this deep peachy nude tone. I'm just going to carve out above where I'm gonna place my cut crease. And if you guys have watched my other videos, you know that is above my natural crease, because my lid space is a little bit smaller. If you have bigger, wider, deep set lids, this might not be as necessary for you, but to create an illusion of bigger lid space, this is a good technique. Taking that into the V as well. There. Then I'm gonna go into this dustier lilac and go right up to the brow bone and just blend all those shades. I'm gonna take that first lilac color we picked up and join that V to the lower lash line. I guess I'm ready to cut the crease, as ready as you can ever be. I'm using my same concealer, the Giorgio Armani one, and I'm going to use a flat shader brush with a rounded edge as per usual. I just washed this brush so it's extra fluffy. Oh dear God. Okay, I'm going to, this is a bit of a different shape. I'm going to go all the way from in there, the inner corner area. And then I'm going to take that right into the wing shape and create a little cat eye flick on the edge. I think that's as even as I'm gonna get it, considering it's like clinging to my eczema patches. So I'm gonna go back into my lilac palette, and there's a really pretty peach color that I'm gonna pop all over. And now for the part that I'm a little scared of, not gonna lie, it is the liner portion, which is kind of where I really fluked this look. I was very inspired by Nikki Makeup on Instagram. She does quite a few of these kind of style looks, but with more of a softer, smokier feel. I wanted to go really bold, so I'm gonna use straight eyeliner. This is the Huda Beauty Life Liner. It's the double-ended liner, and I think I'm gonna map out the shape first with this pencil side. Just gonna sketch the shape of the wing because I want it to connect to the lower lash line. I'm gonna go right down so that I remember to do that, and then I'm just going to go straight in And then I guess it's just time to line. So I'm going to use my Mecca Max Wink Ink Super Liquid Liner only because the tip is very, very, very fine. And I'm gonna start here. And then just gently tapping all the way in. Then just fill the whole thing in. Both sides done now, as even as I think I'm gonna get them with my bloody crusty eyelids today. I'm going to do the liner from that tip and then run it all the way along the crease to this corner here. Wish me luck. I'm hoping to get it quite fine in the inner part of the eye and then just a little bit thicker here. This is hard because I should be doing it in a mirror, not a tiny screen, but what can you do? Whew. Okay, keep going. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's running out. How the heck did that run out already? Lucky I've got another one. Okay, so I'm thickening up this outer line. Okay, I'm gonna stop there because I think I'm really happy with that shape. She is a little bit wobbly, kind of where you can see the eczema crinkling. There's nothing I can do about that. So I'm gonna do this side off camera on the mirror. It might be a little easier for me. And I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And then I did a little inner corner there with the liquid liner. Then back to my Huda Beauty Lifeliner pencil. It's a really pleasant alarm going off. Gonna line the lower lash line. I'm gonna line where the lashes grow out of, if that makes sense, not tight line the waterline. Then using a teeny tiny smudger brush. And then I'm just gonna tight line just this very inner corner, just to connect with that little V. Taking my concealer again on my little sponge, really brighten up this area. And a light powder, just so that looks nice and bright and fresh. One last time with that first purple shade we used. Okie dokie artichoke. I think I'll do a light contour on the nose. This is Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in it deep. Then blush, we're using Milani, same combo as always. This is Dolce Pink. And I'm taking that right under the eye all the way up the cheekbone to brighten up the area. A little across the forehead as well. This will act as my highlight too because it's got a bit of a pearlescent finish. So I'm not gonna bother highlighting. Next, going in with Bella Rosa. I'm taking it just on the highest points of the cheekbones. The real candy pink kind of ties in with the pastel look. I think I might take it across the nose as well. And then just a little on the forehead to tie it all together. And the chin. Brows, I'm gonna do a very light fill with my Benefit Precising My Brow in 6. I'm literally just gonna draw a tiny line there. And then use that to push that product up and out. And then the same again with the arch, just a tiny bit and blend it out. Right, I'm gonna set my face before I do mascara so it doesn't smudge everywhere. That's a Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I freaking love this mist. I just repurchased it and I had forgotten how nice and fine the mist is. Mascara, I'm using Paradise Extatic. I was contemplating doing like a lash. However, I don't like when lashes really interrupt an eye look, and with a graphic liner like this, I didn't want to mess with the lines. Does that make sense? You know when a lash really covers all the handiwork you've done? What a waste. So I'm just going to use mascara. This is my favorite mascara of all time. A tiny bit in my brows just to keep them in place. Went ahead and did the bottom lashes as well, and now it is lipstick time, which means it's the end of the video. Thank Jesus. This is Mecca Max Pout pencils, I believe they're called. This is a shade Chic, and I'm going to fill the whole lip in. Then straight over the top with Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. They're plumping lip gloss. This doesn't work on me. I know a lot of people say it's like super tingly. Yeah, I don't get the plumping effect, but I love that they did it in tinted colors. This color is Strawberry Kiss. Alright, that is it. This is the final makeup look. Very 70s, very mod inspired makeup. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you want to see next, and if you want to hang out on Instagram, I do post it every single day. And if not, I will see you on my next video. I love you all so much. Mwah!